Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 5G and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. And so I will measure the sound level with this decibel emitter, and I'm going to turn it on right now and set it up to the maximum volume mode. So as you can see, it's turned on, and it means that this values right here will only change when the device registers the highest volume level than the previous one. And of course I'm going to put it close to the speaker. The speaker we can find right here at the bottom in the smartphone. There it is. Okay, and let's make unlock. As you can see, it's set up right now at the highest quality. And yeah, so let's make the test. Let's start. Okay, so as you can see, and this smartphone OPPO Reno6 reached 112.9 decibels, and the OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G reached 113.4, so it's a little bit louder, but honestly you cannot hear that. But yeah, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.